there. Here I have a kid of comfort.
I wouldn't give anything work, but still just waits. Just to kill your face model. What? That is a comfort. We're coming. Okay. What? The Fords. Oh yeah, Fords on that side. Yep. This is one of the air conditioner heaven that found. This is one of the air conditioners that found in fucking Warren.
What the plans are, if you get a rash or something, I don't want to hear it, okay?
Oh yeah. Oh, here's one. Oh, I know about these right here. I just pasted Ohio. Finish it down to the money. There's a baby pain. Just pain right here. And this one's the baby. Not been running.
Oh, just so this one.
Here, these ones. Oh yeah. This one's running. That's the hottest air I've ever stuffed out. Okay, this is one too.
Oh my god, the air is really hot.
Yep. This one's the Ohio.
That's the hottest air I've
That is the hottest air. It's hot. That's the awesome running.
We have a ticket to bounce here. This is smoke here.
Three small bits
And
into
this one,
yeah.
no top from the one that has a side.
That's 98. Yeah.
This is just carrier. Wow, I love this one.
Here's the 22,000 to south. And train actually 1,000. Climate to freeze.
Here we have a way.
Nothing running.
The train over here.
I can touch the plates here. Is it on right here? This is the hottest air. We're putting this off. Okay. No more over here. Don't have more this way to me. No more this way to me. Let's go. We don't have very much time with it. That's this way to me. Here's the cane. It's not today, it's probably on Thursday. Has not been when he's got what's on his waist. And they said that there's the cane. Yeah, you have the cane right here.
Oh yes.
It's not mine. Yep.
So
There's still that cane in Ohio, don't you? Yep. And now I have a blind so you can see in there. That place was so busy very quick. It's been running. So we're at a business complex. Oh, we're at town hall business complex. Here are a few Arco Air AC units.
have 2 Arco Air units.
This one has nothing running. Got a nice quiet cold wind. Breeze up in there. Now it has nothing running. Arco Air.
Both have free wind.
See. That is cold and sweaty.
Arco Air.
Yep, cold and sweaty. Yeah. Here's a new blind rig. See when we placed the Carrier Challenger. Here it is. This is from January of 2022. So it's a newer one. Has not been running. It's got 2 blades. This one's a baby. Yeah.
The one has a logo here.
A logo there. Yep, it's a blind. Yep. Blind rig. See one.
It's a new blind rig. Swine that we placed. It's a new blind rig. Swine that we placed. Carrier stamp.
This one's running. This one's noisy.
Here we have a wow.
Here's a wow carrier.
The bunny here.
That's nice. That's pretty cold and sweaty. This is running.
Cold.
This one's noisy as hell. There's a pain unit right here. It's not been running. Coburn School. He's in the unit. There's data throughout 2010. I'll never found these fucking more in here. Saying it's not the same words that he said. It's another big deal. Yeah, my name is Gabriel. Yeah, but yeah, I just air conditioner heaven in Bethesda, Maryland. At Wyngate Festival Park. Here's this pain right here. It has 2 helicopter voice units.
2
It's
helicopters.
not been running. Coburn School compressor. Here I have a
Rather than the other one.
here's what you can see right here. It's not been running. Actually, it's not been running. But this one's a baby, but still, yeah, it's been running. There's a plane right here. I don't know if they're noisy.
I'm not sure if the boys will still be able.
Airport 2011. It's been running. We have a couple of Dakins running.
That other one is also running.
Yep, 2 Dakins running.
Yes.
A couple of Dakins running. Down it is loud. This isn't off today, but there's still one here. This Dakin has a really awesome commercial sound. Yeah, it's been running. Yeah, but the rest of the we on here do the state is Dakin had a really awesome commercial sound. There's this noisiest plane here running. Here you go. You can get one from here. That is the hottest air. This does not sound so good. Maybe it's kind of faded. Yeah. Can't tell what it's from. But here's where all these Dakins are. And that one is running. This one has an awesome sports sound too.
Oh, this one is running. Has a top. I mean, does it have a side over?
No, but it's not.
Oh, I never set a timer. Sorry, guys.
Here's a blind aircraft system running.
Right system. I love this one. And this running.
Okay.
The blind side logo.
We're reading right there. Here's the paint teardrop air conditioner. Some tossed down there. It's been running 2 ways. I've pushed the ways up. This is from I can't find you. Why is staying over there? There's nothing over here. Yeah. Last time understood, see, just turned it up and turned back off.
Yeah, the blind was running before, but it turned it off.
4 blades.
The motor is really warm. It was running just now.
Yep,
But it
vintage
turned it
blade.
off.
Yes, we're going back this way. Here's the paint drop. Here's this paint drop again.
Looks so compressed.
There's one across the running. Yeah, this one has that's it. This one has that's the most sound.
It's running in heat mode. It's really hot air coming out of it.
AQS, high efficiency aircraft system.
I read what it says too.
Yeah. This thing has that compressed sound too. It's very quiet one. I love the compressed sound. I love the compressed sound of the AK. There's this noisy paint again running. One of the driving turned on right there. See if this one turned on. Nope, it's still off. Yeah, but this one had a really awesome compressed sound. The last time we saw that one. Had a commercial sounding very out. So it's been nice. How these they can stop both running. These are both running right here. This is a small one right there. Yep. I have some quiet Dakins running. You have 2 Dakins running. Here's a pane right here to off. Yeah, this one has been running. The water's warm on it.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's been running. Cool and smoke compressor. There's this Brian.
No siren on it, that's weird.
It's been running. Did this one turn on? No, this one's still off.
Oh yes, this thing is still up.
It's a big one.
The blades.
Yeah, the paint in it. Yep, it has not been running. Yep, it's got a cold school compressor. Yep, cold school. I'll get around and see if the other paints are done. But this for the video. I was ending on the video. Yeah, I remember this in that video. They took that fancy fucking more on the other cable went. Oh, this pin. This one is still off. Yeah, stomping ready.
About this
Yep.
about
Here's this noisy kid dancing again.
here.
Yep, this is running.
No, stop. Don't go over there. That's real.
That is the hottest there. Whoa, the fan was in the camera was spinning the other way. Look at that. The fan was on the iPad was spinning left. Oh,
yes.
that's interesting. Oh, it's really spinning left in that one. Don't care, it's been right and not left.
It'll come down here.
Here's this new Sonic Game Quiz. The kind of challengers from July of 2022. No, January. Yeah. Yeah, Billy plays the vintage carrier stem. And we place the vintage carrier spam can. Air conditioner. See if any of these oculars are running. See if any of them are done. No, people still off, I guess. Sounds like it's. I love speculators. These are the coolest ones I've ever seen. Yep. My last ones. I think that ones are done. Yeah, I was like, that one's turned on right there. Yeah, I did. Yeah. This one's turned on. There's that cane right there. And I think that the cane's turned on. Nope, that one is still off. There's this BBP again with the stove off. This was turned on Thursday. Yep, and this turned back off. Yeah, I've just here's this PB right here running. Yep. And here's this pile running. Running here, and obviously this one's on too. And this one the white. And it's pretty soon nothing stove. This is a tiny one. This what's on top. Yeah, it was a very old one. This is one plus it too. This is a very small one. Here it is again. It is still running. This one's noisy. Yep, this one is a Ohio, and this is a pain. 2011. There's another pane right there. Once it focuses, there you go. Yeah. Here's this one right here. This is the actual spot right here. Yep, that one's on, and that one's off. That's free. Okay. There's the 5, 6, or 2 sign right there. Okay. I think we saw the extras here, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out.